Good morning, students. You would have seen the video regarding the uh, measurement of impact of jet on curved and flat vanes. You would have also seen the experimental setup and the way in which the experiment is to be conducted. In this video, you will be seeing how the calculations are being done for calculating the coefficient of vane for both the flat and the curved vane. So the observations that you will be requiring are measuring the diameter of the nozzle from where the jet of water is propagating, then the cross-sectional area of the nozzle. The formulae that you will be requiring are to compute the theoretical force exerted on the vane for the flat vane and the curved vane, rho A V squared divided by G for the theoretical force on the flat vane, where rho is the density of water, A is the area of cross section of the jet, V is the velocity of flow, and G is the gravitational effect. Similarly, for the curved vane, the theoretical force is 2 times rho A V squared by G. The coefficient of impact is calculated as the ratio of the actual force divided by the theoretical force, and efficiency is also calculated as coefficient into 100. Now, coming to the tabulation, we have one reading each entered for the flat vane and the curved vane. These are the readings that will be taken on the equipment, where there is a rotometer which gives the discharge in terms of liters per minute, which is 5, and which is converted into meter cube per second, 8.3 into 10 raised to 5 meter cube per second. And the impact of this discharge from the nozzle onto the flat vane, the actual force was measured as 25 grams, converted into kilograms as 0.025. Similarly, for the same discharge on the curved vane, the force on the flat vane, curved vane was obtained as 40 grams, converted as 0.04 kgs. From the above readings, the velocity of jet coming on the flat vane was calculated as Q divided by A, Q being the discharge and A being the area of cross section of the nozzle. The value of velocity obtained for the flat and curved vane are 4.23 meter per second. The theoretical force in each of the case was calculated with the formula given in the previous slide as 0.036 kg for flat vane and 0.072 for the curved vane. So in both the cases, the coefficient of impact was calculated as 0.694 for the flat vane and 0.55 for the curved vane. So the efficiency worked out as 69.4 for the flat vane and 55% for the curved vane. You can do different trials with different discharges, and we can calculate the average values in both the cases of the flat vane and the curved vane. Coming to the calculations of how we arrived at the above answers, the diameter of the nozzle was measured as 5 mm, cross-sectional area was 1.95 into 10 raised to minus 5 meters squared. Velocity was calculated as Q divided by A, Q for the particular discharge in consideration, 8.3 into 10 raised to minus 5 divided by A in the previous value, where we got 4.23 meter per second as the velocity. In the case of the flat vane, the actual force obtained from the experiment was 0.025, and the theoretical force calculated with the formula was arrived at 0.036. Hence, the coefficient of the vane was calculated as 0.694 and the efficiency 69.4%. In the case of the curved vane, the actual force from the experiment was 0.04 kgs. Theoretical force was calculated with the formula as 0.072 and the coefficient worked out as 0.55 and efficiency as 55%. Thank you.